In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a property owner mailing address in PropWire. Finding a property owner's mailing address can be useful when researching real estate opportunities, especially when you need to contact an owner through traditional mail. This can be helpful for properties where the owner may not live at the property address, such as vacant properties or investment properties. To begin, open your PropWire account and go to the main dashboard. Once you are on the home screen, locate the search bar. To find the mailing address for a specific property owner, enter the property address you want to research into the search field. After entering the address, review the search results and select the correct property. PropWire will open the property details page, where you can access additional information about the property and its ownership details. At the top of the property page, you will see several different options for viewing information. To find the owner details, select the Owner section. Once you open the Owner section, PropWire will display the available owner information for that property. This includes the owner's name and, directly below it, the mailing address associated with the owner. The mailing address information is typically pulled from available public records, such as tax records. This address may be different from the property address, especially if the owner lives somewhere else or if the property is being used as an investment. Review the information carefully to make sure you are looking at the correct property and owner details. Having the correct mailing address can help you reach the property owner when direct contact through other methods may not be available. That's the entire process for finding a property owner mailing address using PropWire. By searching for the property, opening the Owner section, and reviewing the available records, you can quickly access the mailing information connected to that property. This feature can be a helpful tool when organizing property research and gathering contact information for real estate outreach. Whether you are reviewing vacant properties, investment properties, or other opportunities, PropWire makes it simple to locate available owner mailing details.